We're here at a garden that we did, probably completed about a year ago, and we believe that our idea of soil health is a little different, a little progressive, and you can combine that with some progressive ideas we have about landscaping. We think it doesn't make sense to be using fertilizers and pesticides. This is your home. You have pets, like we're supposed to be showing Chip, but he's wandering around the back. You have kids, and why not use products that are completely healthy for kids and pets? And this idea of allowing the soil to feed the plants is what we believe in by building the microbial life of the soil. Along with that, we've got a little different idea about landscaping, that it's all about useful spaces, and it's all about improving your life every day. And either by being able to use the garden, even front gardens like this one, or being able to produce edible food, or having shade that cools the house. And this idea of useful spaces is illustrated by this front courtyard. This was a garden that was in existence for probably 50 years with just the traditional big front lawn that was never used. Just a maintenance problem and a water problem. And we replaced it with this big courtyard that has a bench, has a water feature, has an existing big olive tree that's been here probably since the house was built. And we used the olive tree to build a courtyard around it, and then create a garden that not only has healthy soil, because every 6 months the owner uses John and Bob's blend on it, but also has useful spaces and is very low maintenance, very easy to care for. No lawn to mow and no lawn to water. All of the plants are watered with drip irrigation, so it's an efficient system of watering. So in addition to the adobe pavers, which have a space in between them so it allows water to go in, a much more environmentally friendly way of paving surfaces is that allows water to go into the water table and percolate down, rather than flowing off into the storm drain system. So we have adobe pavers that we installed with a slight gap between them, and then right next to the adobe pavers, the whole driveway and all the area adjacent to the public road in front of the house, we used a method of decomposed granite with a little bit of pea gravel right on top. We compact the decomposed granite, and then we put a thin layer of pea gravel, and that also allows water to soak in, and is a much more natural effect than asphalt or concrete, and also a lot less expensive. So in terms of paving, we followed the theme of it being low care, environmental in terms of low water use. In this case, we're improving the water table by allowing water to percolate into it. Instead of a little piece of lawn that nobody would ever use, and you just have to mow and fertilize and water, we use cotoneaster, which is low-growing cotoneaster that'll cover this up. You don't have to do anything to it. A row of little ollie, which is a dwarf olive that doesn't get olives, and very tough, very easy to grow. Get about 3 to 5 feet tall, and you never have to do anything to it. It'll just fill in the space attractively. And then 2 kumquat trees. So the kumquats are edible, and you can make marmalade. You can eat them, skin and all. Very good for you. And so that makes a very simple, useful, attractive side yard that's extremely low in maintenance.